sellers and buyers continue to find success in an otherwise bleak market. I'm Tony with Clarkson Santoro, and this is our real estate update for the week of Friday, May 15th. We know that selling or buying a home can be very stressful and confusing. That's why we do these weekly videos, so you can know how the market is impacting your options as a home seller or buyer. Like always, pardon my allergies, we like to start the video off by looking at how the market performed over the past week. There are now 70 homes active on the market, 9 fewer than we had last week, and the average asking price is down a little bit from $1,945,000 down to $1,858,000. 10 homes went pending, which is nice to see the double digits again, and that's 2 more than we had last week. And also nice to see the average asking price for those pending sales has jumped up to $1,997,000, up from $1,828,000 last week. 7 homes closed this week, 1 less than last week, but those closings were averaging at a sales price of $2,021,000, up from the $1,916,000 we had last week. So now we know how the market performed over the past week, and next we like to look at the market indicators, the broader trends that help us determine where the market might be heading. Before we do that, if you do find this information helpful, you should hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on future updates. And while you're down there, why don't you hit that share button too and send it to a friend? Everyone deserves to be in the know about their local real estate market. Okay, like I was talking about, those broader indicators, let's look at those next. Starting, as always, with the inventory. It kept falling this week, which is a nice sign after it ballooned up above 80 a few weeks ago. We are back down to 70 homes active on the market, and we also hit double-digit pending sales again, like I mentioned this week. That and the coming soon listings have reduced significantly, so this should continue to trend down, hopefully. Whoops. It's a little bit delayed. Okay, with the significant reduction in inventory, that has improved our turnover rate. It went from 41% up to 59% this week. Still rather sluggish. We really want to be up at or above that 100% mark, but especially for a spring market, but I'll take almost 60% over 40% any day. The over-under number stayed pretty even this week. I know I sound like a broken record at this point if you've been watching these videos, but the fact that the homes are still closing for more than they're asking, even though it's just barely, it's a good sign and a very significant stat. Especially with the slow turnover rate. It shows that the homes that are priced correctly and present really well to buyers are getting a lot of good attention. The average closing price over the past 30 days is back up to nearly $2 million at $1,987,000. Home values continue to hold strong despite the high interest rates and slower turnover numbers. The QQQ fund had another impressive week of growth. It's up another 3.5%, bringing the total growth over the past 6 months to 18%. I only have the last 3 months here, but I mean, that's a huge uptick over the past 3 months, and the past month has been really impressive. The continued success of the tech industries and the stock portfolios that go along with that will always trickle down to our local market as professionals realize their home buying money will go a lot further here than it will in the South Bay. Now, interest rates remain basically the same this week. The average dropped by 1 basis point. Interest rates continue to be one of the 3 big reasons why the market has this slow and it has been slow and just kind of dragging along. The problem for buyers will be if interest rates drop significantly. I think home prices will just start to climb drastically at that point. So it's kind of a lose-lose as far as interest rates are concerned. So if you're finding the house that makes sense for you, pull the trigger now before rates do drop and the price starts to skyrocket, I would say. This week was actually a good week for our market when you consider how the market has been over the past couple of years. Inventory dropped. The total number of new homes, or new pending sales, I should say, was in the double digits, and closing prices remained strong. It was also more of the same, with interest rates continuing to do the most work in keeping our market from truly experiencing a steady and typical spring market. Like I already mentioned, my broken record statement remains true. If you are a seller who prices and prepares your house well, you can still find a great success in this market. Likewise, if you are a patient and discerning buyer, you can also have a same equal level of success. Thank you for joining me for this weekly update. I hope it helps you understand how our market is impacting your options. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you can stay informed on how the market is shaping up this year. And if you have any questions about how you can navigate the stressful and confusing process of selling or buying a home, leave a comment down below or reach out to us directly. We are here to help guide you every step of the way. Have a safe weekend, and I'll see you next week with a new update.